How to buy Avalanche Avax crypto on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Avalanche Avax crypto on Binance in easy fast way. First thing we do, we go to binance.com, then log into your account from here and go to markets here in the top. Click on markets and go down, search for Avax here. And here is Avax. If you didn't find it, search for it here and then click on it like this. After you click on it, you will find this page. Now choose the amount of Avax that you want to buy and make sure this option on buy, and you will find the buy option here if you are registered or log into your account, and click on it and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.